If you click this video, you're probably looking to automate some of the work on your business and have more freedom to do whatever you want with your time. Well, we can help you with that, so let me show you how. We automate your invoices, quotes, estimates, whatever you need, we can do it for you. How it works: it takes an input, which is going to be a voice message sent by you, and outputs a complete invoice, quotation, or estimate with your branding, your pricing, everything customized for your company. So let's do a quick example here for a landscaping company. Keep in mind, this doesn't have to be for landscaping. We do renovation, construction, plumbing, roofing, everybody. If you need invoices, quotations, or estimates, we got you covered. All right, so we have a project over here at 123 Fake Street that requires 1,000 square feet of sod, 50 decorative shrubs, 8 statement trees, 1 pallet of boulders, and about 30 cubic yards of mulch. We also have 10 outdoor lights, and we're gonna need 2 days of clearing and preparation for this project. And lastly, we're gonna need some hauling and disposal. We're gonna do that one time for this project. The name of the client is Zeora. Their email is hello@zeora.com, and their phone number is 123-456-789. So now we wait for it to arrive in our inbox, and it usually takes just under a minute. As you can see, I got the notification. So let me just open that up here and we'll take a look. Okay, so here it is. Before we go through this, I wanted to mention that you can choose this template, or if you have an existing template style, we can do that for you. This is just one example of our invoice designs. So it got the sod installation, shrubs, decorative trees, boulders, mulch, landscape lighting, standard site prep, and construction and debris, just like I mentioned in the message. Now these all come from the product database, so it matches the things I say in the message to the products in our database. It also got the address, the name, and it got all the prices from the pricing database that is specific to this company. So everything's tailored to your company. Of course, we work closely with you to get that all set up and make sure everything's correct. And it would be set up in a way that if you change the pricing, the automation automatically adapts to the new pricing instantly. Okay, so like I said, this works for any industry. It's fully custom. You get to pick the template design, you set the pricing, we just automate it for you. So instead of spending a few hours per week on invoices, quotations, and estimates, you're only spending a few minutes. So, I mean, imagine what you can do with all that extra time. And it doesn't have to be emailed to you. You could have it sent by text, sent on WhatsApp. Really, it's up to you. Whatever you want, we can make it happen. So I'll stop here. If you want to learn more about this, you can book a free call just underneath this video, and we can talk about how to implement it into your business. So just scroll down and you can book a call right now. Like I said, it's completely free, no commitments at all.